Okay, guys, I'm reading off this article. One of the articles that I had showed you that I had before. This is very interesting. So it's a Supreme Court Mortgage Foreclosure Committee, CO Administrative Office of the Illinois Court, okay? Proposed mortgage foreclosure procedures. Dear committee members, over the past 2 years, our branch has been researching foreclosure procedures and the documents submitted in connection with such proceedings. To our chagrin, what kind of word is that? We have been able to locate a single proceeding where the banks, especially the counsel for the banks, have knowingly submitted fraudulent documents or illegal, insignificant documents in order to trick the court in gaining relief to the parties who do not have legal interest in the property. In addition, our findings have been validated by the Cook County Sheriff's Department. For some examples of the fraud we have concluded took place in connection with foreclosures in Illinois include the following. Number one, record where no note was submitted as proof of ownership by the underlying debt. Number two, a record where the note submitted does not have endorsement or the lender list on the note is not the plaintiff in the foreclosure proceeding. Note where the endorsement contained a forged signature. Mortgage assignment with forged signatures. Mortgage assignments with forged notaries. Mortgage assignments prepared and executed by bank's attorney attempting to transfer a title in the note and mortgage of their client, who then turns around and actually sues the company on whose behalf they executed the mortgage assignment. Mortgage assignments and notes whose contents violate the terms and conditions of trust agreement in the trust. Most disturbing is the fact that the bank's attorneys are using deception to convince the court to give their client relief to which it's not otherwise legally entitled, while knowing that such action will leave the homeowner without their property, yet still possibly open to legal and true legal owner of the note debt, who is the seller indicated in the document filed with the SEC in connection with the mortgage-backed security trust, who is never listed as a party in the proceedings. Okay. It says, you will find our findings after reviewing some of the foreclosure files included in this letter. The public must trust that the legal system will not condone such behavior and will do that which is necessary in order to ensure that no one is exempt from the law. It is laughable that the officers of the court who perpetrate the fraud on the court constantly argue that these foreclosures are victimless crimes, especially when their attorneys know that these proceedings negatively impact the communities, negatively impact property values, and leave thousands of homeless, yet still indebted for the true lawful owner of the subject note. The court in general should not allow such deception. Therefore, we ask that you not only adopt the proposed affidavit number 2, as well as the implemented the affirmation like the sample provided in the New York court. Sincerely, David Erla, Jr., President. Okay, and then he adds some of these case files. Okay, so they talk about MERS and all that baloney. But where did I see? Let me see about Erla again. Let me see. This is all the things about MERS, everything they're talking about. I don't want to read that, but it's saying about some cease and desist orders and. Okay, wait a minute, where it is. Okay, so here we go. Right here, this is my property. Pertains to my property. Okay, we believe that Erla Carla Shaw signed all the endorsements on Taylor Bean Whitaker notes. However, there's evidence that the signature was forged. See document with Erla Carla Shaw's signatures attached. Okay, and then it goes in, and it says how the endorsement failed to comply with the requirements under section 2 of the pooling service agreement. So there you go. And then there's some more. Let me see. Some more cases. I was trying to focus on the MERS aspect of it, but that will be the next one. So that's what it is. Bye.